because all of us.
The biggest problem that we have here is combating the issue of illicit brew, second generation of alcohol and drug abuse. We have a serious problem that we have been dealing with in this region, which is affecting all the 3 counties of Tharaka Nithi, Embu and Meru, which is basically the growing of cannabis sativa in the Mount Kenya forest. This has become a matter of great concern, and we're working together with Kenya Forest Service to ensure that criminals who are using the forest to plant this dangerous plant are apprehended and dealt with.